18 kilometers of nearly untouched land, 6 kilometers and sand between your toes, 15 kilometers of historical landscape, 160 kilometers in 4 days. Welcome to Wadden Walks. With more than 1,200 kilometers of walking routes around the Wad, it's the largest walking network in the Netherlands. Experience the unique Wadden coast of North Holland, Friesland and Groningen. Walk along all islands and take a trip to the amazing German island of Barkum. All this is possible on the Wadden Walks, a new network of routes which offers unlimited walking fun on both sides of the World Heritage Wadden Sea. Set off on a Wadden Walk adventure and discover centuries-old man-made landscapes, outstanding nature, rich cultural history and many authentic villages and towns. Take a break, feel the wind in your hair, enjoy and reflect. Whether you enjoy short walks or long distances, the Wadden Walks offer every walker something to do and discover. No matter which route you map out or walk, follow the marker points and identifiable signposts to easily find your way. 14 stunning walking routes have already been mapped out across the area for all walking enthusiasts. These routes are approximately 20 kilometers long and take you along the most beautiful spots in the Wadden Coast area. Using the marker point system, it is also easy to map out your own route. Short, long or spread over multiple days, you will always enjoy a walk that suits you best. An overview of the marker points network, the day walks and the route options is available on our website waddenwandelen.nl, on 5 Volkplan walking maps, in 3 Wandelnet guides and a special guide from the ANWB, including descriptions, maps, tips and further information. Save your own route and share it with your friends via the latest Mijn Waddenwandelen website. Do you have a smartphone or tablet? Download the mobile Wadden Walks app to walk the day walks or your own routes offline, using your mobile as a digital guide. The time has come to experience the unique Wadden coast. Go to waddenwandelen.nl. You've just made your first step.